Hi, this is Rob with Smith Chevrolet, and this is our 2017 Equinox LT. It's a one owner with a clean Carfax, still under factory warranty. Got your front fog headlamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, still some pretty good tread there. You got your power windows and your power locks. Dark cloth interior. Clean car, very clean car on the inside. Climate controls. Touchscreen satellite radio. Nice big back seat. Seats do fold down for extra storage. Got your rear backup camera, manual lift gate, this vehicle is an all-wheel drive vehicle. Through the driver's side, it does have heated driver's and passenger seats, power seating also, leather wrapped steering wheel with steering wheel controls for Bluetooth. And this is Rob with Smith Chevrolet, and this is our 2017 Equinox LT.